Step into the future with the ASUS ZenScreen Fold MQ17QH, a marvel of technology unveiled at CES 2024. This pioneering device stands as the world's first portable foldable OLED monitor, setting a new benchmark for display innovation and portability. The ZenScreen Fold MQ17QH is not just a monitor, it's a testament to ASUS's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With its foldable design, it offers unprecedented flexibility and convenience, making it the perfect companion for professionals, gamers, and tech enthusiasts on the go. The OLED technology ensures breathtaking visuals, with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a wide color spectrum that brings your content to life like never before. Its 17.3-inch screen offers a vast canvas for productivity and entertainment, while its foldable nature means it can easily travel with you, transforming any space into a personal cinema or workstation. Experience the zenith of display technology with the ZenScreen Fold MQ17QH, and see how ASUS is leading the way in innovation at CES 2024.